Good. Shorten your reins so that you can actually stop them. Okay, go. Good girl. Good boy. Alright, that's fine, Maya. He's the last one and he landed the right lead.
Yeah. Fair enough.
Woohoo! The mane. Just hold the mane. And try not to guess when he's going to jump. Just be in your 2-point and leave him be. Don't try and guess. 2-point, leg back. Look.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Get in the club, park the car. But it was great. It was no freaking line on like other clubs.
Good. Around that blue lead, taking a big approach. Mane. Good, Elizabeth, leg back. And look, lots of left leg, outside leg. It's okay, it's a really rough turn. Get him straight and be ready to check when you land.
Oh, right.
Good.